History is something that touches your soul. Is it pure emotion, something you can feel, like La Nuova Dolce Vita? I have created a symphony of aromas, colors and harmonic stages with Mediterranean flavors, high-quality Italian basic products and finest ingredients with a touch of Mexican power. That is my interpretation of La Nuova Dolce Vita. I always say, if you remember a dish 6 months after eating it, it was a great dish. When I drive home, always think about cooking. From time to time, get inspired by buildings which I drive past. Another place in which I find the Nuova Dolce Vita in Basel is Fondation Basel. I often go there for a walk in the park to relax and get inspired by the amazing building of Renzo Piano. Our cathedral celebrated 1,000 years of existence this year. I'm very attached to tradition. A solid and well-known basis is very important in my daily work. I'm imagining this passion for creation to be the same for the Ferrari Roma.